Vijay's father, S.A. Chandrasekhar, asked the Congress party to consider an alliance with Vijay's party, Tamilaga Vetri Kazhagam, before the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections. He said this alliance could help Congress regain its old political strength in the state. He spoke after attending a wedding in Tiruvarur. He said TVK was thinking about supporting Congress in the upcoming elections. He added that Congress has a strong history and that Vijay is ready to help the party return to its past position. He also said Vijay has the strength to contest elections alone and still win. He claimed many people are asking Vijay to fight the elections independently. At the same time, Vijay criticized major political parties in Tamil Nadu. He called the DMK his party's main political opponent. He described the AIADMK as corrupt. He also said the BJP was his ideological enemy. However, the Congress rejected the alliance idea. Tamil Nadu Congress chief K. Selva Peranguthagai said the party is getting enough support from Rahul Gandhi and does not need outside help. Congress leaders also indicated confidence in their current political position and alliances.